Alright guys, today I'm doing a review of this Orri, the sweetest mandarins. I wasn't gonna do a review, but I actually got this and I actually ate one already. This is insanely sweet. This is a mandarin I've never had before, and I tried it. It was like literally the sweetest mandarin I've ever had. It's not sour whatsoever. I was actually quite surprised with the taste. I don't know where exactly these things come from, but they are so sweet. So if you look at how I'm peeling them, they're a little different too. They don't come off the peel that easily. And let me show you. The flesh is different too. I was surprised. I thought they were just regular mandarins, but they're not. So check this out. You see that? They're a little different. They are full of juice. And they're literally sweet. There's no sourness whatsoever. Oh, they're a product of Israel. So yeah, there's no sourness whatsoever. I've never tasted a mandarin like this before. Definitely check it out, guys. If you have questions, comments, post them below. Subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the channel. Yeah, it's so sweet. It's crazy. All right, stay tuned for more videos.